Hello, and welcome back to another Dish of Carrie's Gardening channel. So today is May the 1st, 2023, and this is my first day back out in the greenhouses after about a week. I had an injury to my ankle, so I wasn't coming out to the greenhouses or anything. But I thought we'd take a tour through here and show you what we got blooming and coming. Everything grew so much since when I was out here last. So we still have a ladybug back there crawling around. My lavender there is getting ready to bloom. Oh my goodness, everything grew so much. This is the old greenhouse here. This is the first greenhouse that was ever built. I'm going to be taking my time walking through here. Oh, my zinnias are doing well. Some of my salvia here. These are my lavender seedlings that I transplanted. They are growing. That's good. But we have more status here. This is ready to harvest. Yeah, we have stuff ready to harvest. Yep, there's a ladybug back there crawling around.
This one?
Yeah, those are ready to go. And the white one.
I thought the white one would be ready today. I kept trying to let it go.
Yeah.
Yes, with these here not being open, it was throwing me.
They're mostly open, so that's how you take that. But you can see we have more plants down here and different stuff that was transplanted and
we've already been getting pansies off of these.
Yeah, pansies are coming. You can see all the pretty flowers. So much changed in here in a week of not being in here. Okay, so I made it over to the bed house and see how it's looking in here. My goodness, this stuff grew so much. Look at our marigolds here. I gotta wait, my glasses are all steamed up. Look how pretty everything is.
I know, honey, they're getting ready to harvest. Ladybugs were in the frame of this here.
I have the nigella, the marigolds. Oh my goodness. Everything grew so much in a week. It's nice to be back out in the greenhouse. This is again, I'm still walking slow, but I'm out here.
Lavender here is ready. The spider here.
Oh, the winged everlastings. Yeah, they're ready.
It's in here.
Yep, that's ready.
All the way down.
Yep. Got ladybugs crawling all around in here. Oh, my verbena back here is starting to bloom. You can see it's turning purple. But everything grew so much. And look at this gigantic marigold. That thing is huge. And we have the pretty orange ones. Yeah, that's ready to harvest. So I'm not doing any of the harvesting yet. I'm just kind of walking around some and letting stuff get used to me walking on it again. Yep, that's ready.
How far down on this?
The whole way down. My salvia is starting to come into bloom there. And lettuce is ready to be harvested and picked. Let's see what was harvested there so far. More lettuce. And we did, some of the red beets were harvested.
We're getting the status.
Status is coming.
Uh-huh.
So we have to watch when you're harvesting because we have our ladybugs in here, and the ladybugs are on the flowers, so we're taking those off when they're found, and any that are found when they're inside, they come back out to the greenhouses. So this status plant here, if you don't cut your status down the whole way on your stems, it won't grow back right, and I had some I couldn't reach, so that plant there, a lot of those stems are going to have to get cut the whole way down so that it blooms the way that it's supposed to. So you can see here some of the lettuce did try and bolt, and we're still eating the lettuce from the last harvest, and there's even more here this time, so more bags were gotten. And it's remarkable how much stuff grew within a week, and I'm really enjoying being out here and getting to see all the pretty flowers blooming and the vegetables coming. So we're getting some of the marigolds cut here.
On a V?
Yeah, cut it at a V right above a Y. There you go.
Okay.
Oh, look how gorgeous that is. Yep. That's huge. That's a huge marigold. Yep.
Okay. Sorry, Mike.
And our Mikey. Mikey came in to see us.
Hey? It's my little guy.
I think there's some of the orange ones back there. They're ready. I can't climb in there to see.
Listen. Here, hold on there. Okay. Put this here away. Minute.
Now we have a praying mantis down there. So
No!
we're getting
Can you shut that? I'm sorry.
getting the marigolds
Okay, I see it.
cut here. Huh? What do you mean? Oh, they're on, I needed the stem length.
Ready?
Yep.
You say the
Oh, they're
first.
on the same thing.
Yeah, they're on the same thing there.
Way down here, right?
Yeah.
Tell me if I did good.
Yep, you got it. Okay, so on the nigella, you want to cut them down. My stems I need about 11 to 12 inches, so you can go ahead and cut them down. I know like some people cut them the whole way down, but yeah, because you're getting all those extra pieces on them. There's another one up here. Yeah, cut it down.
How far?
Take it to that Y. Take it to the
Right
Y.
here?
Yep, right there. That's good. Yep, you're good there. Because like some people, they use these flowers here and they put them in their arrangements. I do the pods. There's another pod in there.
Okay.
But you know, it depends on what you want for you know, your arrangements. But for me, I use the pods mostly. So we're gonna head over to the last greenhouse here. You can see what we got so far. And there's more in this bin here, and our tomato plants are growing back there. So we're gonna go over to the last greenhouse, and it's raining. It's been raining off and on for I don't know how many days now. So this is the last greenhouse here, and I'm going to be going in then and resting my ankle. You can see the ranunculus here. They've been harvesting ranunculuses off, and you see our ladybugs here crawling around. Oh, the ranunculus are so pretty. Got more Ranunculus is over there. The ranunculuses are so pretty, and they have been coming in, and we've been getting quite a bit of blooms off of them. Yeah, that's ready.
Down to here?
I was taking them down the whole way, but yeah, you
Okay.
can go down to there. I mean, it looks like it's going to branch off, so yeah, go ahead. So these are the V's here, and then we have the matchies. Oh, that's so pretty. They look like a poppy. They do. They look like a poppy or an anemone, but they're ranunculus.
Right here or
But yeah, they're ready to harvest there. They're the matchies there. It looks like the bud deformed on it. It could have been from when it got too warm.
what do I do with it?
Just cut it. It will stop it from taking the energy out of the plant.
Okay.
Yeah, whenever you have one that's deformed or it doesn't do right, you want to take those off, because it will stop the plant from putting the energy into the stuff. So you can see the ranunculus and the status here, and they're going to be going in the bucket. So I hope you enjoyed the mini tour here of the greenhouses, and it was nice to be able to be back out again and to be able to see everything blooming. We are redoing the middle, that hoop house that we have. We are redoing that, and that is going to be being covered. So we'll have 4 greenhouses then, but only 3 of them will be heated. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!